Get Saturday, November 12th on the calendar. Join the Junior Women's League of Smithfield for our first annual Touch a Truck fundraiser presented by Cisco Raleigh.
Touch a truck!
Children can see, touch, and safely explore their favorite trucks and heavy machinery, as well as meet the personnel who protect, serve, and build Johnston County communities. Admission is free, and $5 wristbands give you access to other fun activities. 9 different food trucks will be on site for all the foodies out there. Touch a Truck is Saturday, November 12th from 10 to 2 in downtown Smithfield. Proceeds benefit the Boys and Girls Club of Johnston County.